Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download and install the PUBG. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC. So you have to download that from the internet. You will get that easily. So as you can see, I have installed the BlueStack already. So you have to open the BlueStack. So now you have to write the BlueStack here, and after writing the BlueStack, as you can see, it is here. Now we have to click on this option, and it will start. It will take few seconds in loading, so we have to wait. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now what we need to do, we have to make the screen bigger. So I'm going to click this, and as you can see now it's full screen. So we have to click here, and after clicking here, if you want to download any kind of game, you just have to write the name. So for example, I want the PUBG, so we have to write the PUBG here. So as you can see, after writing the PUBG, you will see the PUBG Mobile here. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, it will take few seconds in loading. So as you can see, here is PUBG Mobile, and you will see the option install on app player. So we have to click on this option. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the size of the game is 836 MB, and now it's downloading. It will take few minutes or few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. And after completion of downloading process, it will be installed, and after completion of installation process, you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the PUBG mobile on your PC. You just have to follow these steps. They are so easy. So see you guys in the next video.